Question number 6, prove that. Example number 7, sine raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Now we don't know formula for sine raised to 4 and cos raised to 4. See here, first I will write here LHS. LHS is equal to sine raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta. We don't know formula for raised to 4. So we reduce this into square and we know formula for square. So we write this way, sine square theta bracket square means this is laws of indices. A raised to m raised to n means m into n, m into n, that way. Sine square theta bracket square, then this sign, okay. Same we apply here, cos square theta bracket square. Did you understand? Now we use this formula, a square minus b square. A square minus b square, this is a, this is total sine square a is our sine square theta is our a and cos square theta is our b, means a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, first bracket, second bracket, a minus b. This formula or this identity we apply here or we use here. So see this, LHS is equal to, LHS is equal to, this is sine square theta, sine square theta plus, we write here, plus cos square theta, a plus b, then a minus b. Now this is our a, this is our b. So a plus b means cos sine square theta plus cos square theta. Then second bracket, a minus b. This is our a. So we write here sine square theta minus, suppose this is our b, then we write this cos square theta. Did you understand? Therefore LHS is equal to, we know this identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta. What is the answer? 1. What is the answer? 1. And I will show you here that formula first. Okay, I will show you formula, how to write this formula. See here. Now sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Instead of this we write 1 here, okay. And instead of this sine square theta, see this, we keep this sine square theta as it is and we take this plus cos square theta to the right side. See this, when we take this plus to the right side, it becomes minus. Did you understand? We use both these formulae, sine square theta plus cos square theta, here we put value 1. Therefore, say this carefully, LHS is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta means 1 into value of sine square theta, what is 1 minus cos square theta. We use this here and we use this for this, okay. Then what is left? Minus cos square theta. Did you understand? Now 1 into any number or any term, 1 into any term, then that term itself, therefore for that number itself, here we say term, okay. 1 into this bracket means this bracket as it is, 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta, like terms, both signs are same, then we put that sign and addition of these two means 2 times cos 2 cos square theta. This is our RHS.